Hello, Canopies. Welcome back to another productive study vlog. I woke up at 4 a.m. today, and while most of the world is still asleep, this is my favorite time of the day. Everything feels quiet, peaceful, and distraction free. I usually start my day with newspaper analysis. I follow an Academy IAS English for this. And I spent a few minutes watering my money plant. It may seem like a small habit, but taking care of something every day reminds me that growth takes patience. Whether it's a plant or a UPSC journey, progress happens little by little. Then it's time for my morning tea. Today's tea is ajwain tea. A simple cup of tea and a quiet morning study session is honestly one of the best feelings. From today, I'm going to start my GS2 preparation. So, first subject that I picked was polity, and for the next 15 days, I'll be studying polity only. But before jumping into polity, I'm watching topper talks and strategy videos to understand what actually worked for successful candidates. Sometimes we focus so much on studying that we forget to learn how to study effectively. While reviewing their strategies, I'm also noting down points that I can apply to my own preparation. For breakfast, I prepared overnight oats yesterday itself. So today's breakfast is already ready. Preparing things in advance saves time and makes busy study days a little easier. After my breakfast, I spent some time analyzing the UPSC syllabus for the GS2 paper. One thing I'm realizing more and more is that UPSC preparation becomes much easier when you understand the syllabus deeply. Before reading any book or making notes, knowing exactly what UPSC is asking for can save a lot of time and confusion too. The more I analyze the syllabus, the more I feel that preparation is not about studying everything. It's about studying the right things in the right way. After that session, I headed into the kitchen to make some chicken soup. Lately, I'm trying to focus not only on studies but also on maintaining my health because this exam is a marathon and not a sprint. After my lunch, I started to analyze some of the topper answer sheets and also their notes in order to get an idea on how to prepare for mains notes. Looking at my old notes, I realized that the notes I made earlier on OneNote and during my foundation course are useful, but they don't completely match my current understanding. As you can see my notes, I wrote very crisp notes for each and every topic, but right now I feel like I need a template formed one pager notes, like with introduction, any codes or definition from ARC reports or any ministry, and then a body and then a conclusion included with some diagrams and formulas if applies. So I have decided to create fresh handwritten notes on A4 sheets with one topic on one page. This way revision becomes much easier and the content stays concise and organized. As I already completed my foundation, it will be little easier for me in order to make short and crisp notes rather than making a bulky notes with a huge sentences and all. My goal is to write 25 keywords daily and gradually building a strong repository of important terms for Polity JS2. It may seem repetitive, but revision is where real learning happens, right? As I said in my earlier videos as well, alongside UPSC preparation, I'm also working on my Plan B project. Having additional skills and backup plans gives me confidence and helps me stay balanced during the long journey of UPSC preparation. Later in the day, I continued making notes on important judgments. For example, if there is reservation, I am writing all the judgments that are related to reservation. So, likewise, I'm making all judgments and important cases for each and every topic mentioned in the syllabus. For dinner, I had egg dosa, and after a long day of studying, I followed a simple skincare routine with aloe vera gel and a quick gosha session. Before ending the day, I went for a short walk. These 10 minutes helped me clear my mind, reflect on the day, and prepare for tomorrow. If you are preparing for any competitive exam right now, remember this: you don't need a perfect day. You just need to keep showing up one day at a time. You know what? Some days will feel productive and some days absolutely won't. But every honest effort counts. Thank you for spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this study vlog and would like to follow my UPSC 2027 journey, don't forget to subscribe to Canopy Life. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward.